Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab Active5 Pro, and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. Alright, so let's pretend I've got a lot of problems with Google Chrome. So let's find the app which is crashing, tap on it and hold it, and then tap on this info icon here. You will be automatically transferred to this app information. And first of all, what I highly recommend to do is to remove cache and force stop. So let me scroll. Here we've got this usage section. So go to storage. Here we've got cache. And cache are junk files which are usually saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. And moreover, they actually might cause some problems with opening the app. So just tap on clear cache. And secondly, I highly recommend to simply tap on force stop. Basically, sometimes if the app is running in the background, it might also have problems with the proper open. So just tap on force stop, tap on OK, and now you can try to open the app again. If that didn't work, you can come back, remove cache again, force stop again, and restart your device. All you have to do is to press the power button, which is right here, and volume down button together. So keep pressing it until you'll see this menu and just tap on restart. Because this operation will, I would say, confirm the changes. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to check for the updates, because sometimes older versions might behave or misbehave actually. So let's go to the Play Store. Be aware, because you need the internet connection and you need to be logged in. You can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device, if you don't want to do it on your own. And here in the Play Store, just tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is basically your account. And then let's go to Manage Apps and Device. Tap on Manage, and you can either try to find the update here. So as you can see, we've got Google Chrome, or sometimes for some reason your device won't show you the updates. So just tap on Search. Here enter the Chrome. I did not want to do that. Chrome. Okay. Find it, and here you will probably have the update icon. So just tap on Update. I highly recommend that. You can try to soft reset your device again after this operation. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to tap on Uninstall. Let this app fully uninstall from your device and then install it again, because sometimes downloading and installing the new version instead of overwriting it over the older one will be a better option, and it can save you some not only time but also some problems which may be caused. Another thing which I also highly recommend to check is the system update, because sometimes the older version might also interfere with the new apps, newer versions. So let's go to the settings here. In this left section, we have to scroll and find Software Update, and tap on Download and Install. And now your device will check for the updates. And if you've got the update pending, I really highly recommend to simply tap on Download and apply it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.